My name's Todd Curling. I'm the service director here at Beyer Volvo of Dulles. I've been here for 30 years, and believe it or not, we're coming up on our 50-year anniversary this year. Well, 30 years ago when I started with Volvo, I knew this was the right place for me. Volvo's trend and track towards saving the environment, helping the environment, as well as the safety of their vehicles is very important to me, my family, and that's kind of why I've continued with Volvo and only Volvo. It's a great place to work, and not only the people here, but the clients. People, not only the people that I've worked with for many years here at Beyer Volvo. We've had employees work 10, 15, 20 plus years. The people that we have serviced have created great relationships with us, and it's nice to see when they come back and buy a new Volvo. This is our 50-year anniversary this year, and we're excited to see what the future brings.